Hello everybody and welcome to English Grammar with Ameya sir. It's revision time and the topic for today is the agent form. So when they ask you to provide the agent form, what is it that they expect? What are you supposed to write? Is it just a normal noun form? What exactly is it? The answers will be sought. So agent form basically is a noun form, guys, but it is as a doer or a performer. What did I just say? Yes, it is a noun form, but it is as a doer or a performer. For instance, let's consider the verb act. Now, the normal noun form will be by adding ion, you would have the word action, but the doer or a performer is an actor. Okay, so act, the normal noun form is action. Should they ask you the agent form, you are required to provide the doer or the performer of that action becomes actor. There's a very useful clue I have provided, guys. You often get them by adding er, or, ist. But remember, I said you often get them. I did not say always. There are always exceptions. Okay. Now let's start with an assignment. You are required now to provide the agent forms for the following. Give it a proper thought. Remember what I said. I have on purpose deliberately given you the normal noun form. So you are required to give me the doer or the performer of these things. Okay. So first one is teach. Well, let's ask you to pause the video. That's the best way. Okay. Pause the video at this point and only resume the video when you have the answers. All right, I hope that you had paused the video because now I'm going to reveal the answers. So teach, the normal form is noun form is teaching, and the doer or the performer is a teacher. Guide, the normal noun form is guidance. The one who does that is a guide. Now these are the exceptions I was talking about. You don't need er, or ist here. Inspect, normal noun form is inspection. The one who does it is an inspector. Active, activist. Special, the normal noun form is speciality. One who does it is a specialist. Guys, I'm sure that you enjoyed this and you learned a lot from this particular video. Never ever again now will you lose marks when they ask you the agent form. Basically, the noun form is just that they want you to give the doer or the performer of the action. And what's the hint? Adding er, or, and ist. Alright then, we'll meet again soon. The revision shall continue. It was a pleasure bringing this video to you. Thank you so much. Do take care.